Hey guys, Mark here from Anxious Corner. Anyway, I want to touch on meditation today. Want to make sure everybody is meditating. Um, they say 3 times a day. You know, I used to do it daily, and shame on me, I've gotten away from it. But I've read more than a couple articles saying that if you meditate 3 times a day over a period of 4 to 6 weeks, your anxiety would drop. I believe it's around 75%. But you gotta do that every day. You gotta do that consistently. So, um, meditation basically to me is I don't get much into it. I just basically whenever I do, I just get into a quiet place and just deep breaths, relax, just relax my muscles and just make sure I think about um, positive things, not anything negative or no worries or anything like that. But do that maybe 10 minutes per session, 3 times a day, and according to the article, you should drop like 75% in anxiety. Now, I've never done it 3 times per day. I've done it like daily, and it was consistent with it for a time. And I did notice that my life improved pretty much. But if I've done it like maybe 3 times a day, I probably would have seen a lot better results from it. So, anyway, just letting you guys know about that. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks.